What's up YouTube, this is Barrel452 coming at you with a birthday booster box. Ordered this, thought I was going to get it a lot later, came in sooner, so I'm going to crack this open and let's see what we get. I do like this set. I'm trying to collect the alt arts, have not pulled one yet, so I'm trying my best. So let's give this a shot and see what we get. Now, I ordered this on Amazon because I had the deal of the day and I got a further discount on it, so it seemed like a good promotion to go for. And looks like the card packs are good. So let's see if this is a good booster box. Pressing concern that everyone's been seeing is people opening these things up and resealing them. Well, that's green, so we're just going to go for it. Zangoose, Sawbusbuck, and then go there. I should probably grab recycling bin. So for lucky, I should get 8 hits out of the box. For unlucky, no, but it looks like it's been consistent. This will also indicate if there should be concern. But this was directly done by Amazon, so I don't see that that should have been a possibility. Here's a white code. These cards are a little bent. Crushing Gloves, Honey, Impact Energy, Shuppet, Cubfu, Venipede, Snover, Slowpoke, Flaffy, and Rillaboom. Boom. Bleh. Okay, so that's one white code. Green. Lyron, Wazing, Energy. So far, nope, the cards look like they're beat up on the back a little bit. Heh. 3, 4. Okay, that looks different. So let's get rid of the Energy. Fog Crystal, Peonia, Whirlipede, Bounsweet, Cubfu, Inkay, Diglett, Scorbunny, Weezing, and Shadow Rider Calyrex. Okay, so we got one hit. There's the code for you guys. Throw these all in sleeves. So I will take no golds if I can get an alt art, because that's what I've been chasing. At this point, I'm almost feeling like buying singles. Why did I do that? Because this was just a regular pack. There you go. Buying singles probably would make more sense, especially since the one I was looking for was the Slow King, and that one's not crazy expensive right now. Like Energy and Kecleon. Bait I have now too, of course, is I got a ton of bulk commons. I could probably trade those in. White code to get a couple more booster boxes, but I want to save it for something good, or I don't want to blow it on more Chilling Rain. Gengar. Oh, Sandaconda VMAX. We got another hit. I don't think I got that one yet, so that's good. I'm at least gonna get other cards, ones I don't have already. I mean, Shadow Rider I got. I'll be looking for Icy Rider. Green. Aeron, Survivor. Red. White code. Oh, the last card looks a little beat up, so you know that's probably gonna be something. Purple. Or Gardevoir, okay. Almost looks shiny on the top. I was getting a little concerned. I was already seeing whitening. Gotta love production rush issues. But that's to be expected. They're trying to meet demand. I've seen people not very supportive of this. What did I see? Comment that kind of irritated me. Someone wanted to bring up a class action lawsuit against the Pokemon Company. That was probably the stupidest thing I ever heard. One, they clearly do not understand what a class action means. and what it actually do to the Pokemon Company. Because yeah, sure, they can put a class action forward and then cost the Pokemon Company millions, if not billions of dollars, but then it's gonna affect everything going forward. Because when they lose money, they're gonna figure out how to cut it somewhere else. Metal. Rock Ruff. Oh, well, I got the evolution line, so that's good. And there's the code for you guys. So, people be silly. I know the next set's going to be Evolving Skies, and then you got Celebrations coming up. My wall is going to take a severe hit. It already is hard to try and budget to just make it so I can get like 3 or 4 booster boxes of these sets, and they just want to go and make it harder. So, thank you for that. Love the hobby, but sometimes it's too expensive overall. So when I get to the point with Celebrations, I'll try to get a little bit of everything, maybe open up some things, but then just keep everything pretty much sealed. I think there's something back here. Avery, Flappy, Clara, Delibird, Marie, Paracross, Clobulus, Kakuna, nope, Lycanroc. Also need to go through and eliminate things that are... Here's another white code, so maybe we'll be lucky. 3, 4. Oh, something's back there. Looks like a regular though. Just bring that back. Justified Gloves. Oh, yeah. Lucky Energy. Karen's. Well, there we go. Alt Art Blissey. I'll take it. There's the code card for you guys. Let's see if I'm lucky and this is one of those elusive booster boxes that you get a couple out of. Because a couple people have pulled multiples out of a booster box. That will be nice. I will not hold a candle. So in this case, I should still have a rainbow or a secret somewhere. So there could still be the Snorlax that everyone's chasing for. Sharpet D, Strike, Green Leaf Energy. Oh, I see something in here. Looks like it could be good. Okay. Lightning. Nope. I'm getting kind of... Let me see something. Oh. Because of the way the cards are being cut and printed with the quality issues, it looks like everything could have something on top of it. Green. Ladybug, Passimian. This is a concerning box. Well, here's a white. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us say metal. Nope, fire. Aeron, Mask. Bennett, Metagross V. Didn't get one of those yet, so cool. Code card. Should at least get a rainbow or a gold still, and maybe a trainer. If what I see, the odds are usually pretty good. Oh. White code. Probably another rare. Jizzle, China, Tree, Justified Glass, Sneasel, Fruit, Lapras, and Volcanion. I should be it for the V's, like the regular ones. like another one. This box is disconcerting them. What do we got? Green. Alright, did I forgot if I showed. There you go. Oh, why am I doing that? That was a regular. Carbuncular Scolipede. Hey. I got so much bulk to go through, but it'll be worth it. Green. Bennett and Squovit. Okay. Oh. Green. Tapu Fini. Kecleon. Green. I'm gonna grab one from the back. Nope, green. Okay, Scorpion, Serena, dark. Front. 2 more hits. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. White code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably a rare. We got Lightbird. So now let's show, but now that's going to be too many V's, I think. Unless that's a lucky extra one. It usually looks like it's 4, and then 4 or 5 of the other ones. Should I see the scene of VMAX at this point? And like a really good, oh, I think that's a good one back there. Let's see. Avery. Okay, so there is the rainbow. I don't know if that means I'm not going to see a gold or something else better now. But we got the rainbow rare, so that's good. Should be one more. Oh, there we go. Just making sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. No. I mean, there should be one more hit. Green. My luck is it will be a rare. Regular rare. What? Green. I'm just gonna do sandwich green. This is not white. Ugh. Nope. Alright, so last packs were green cards. So this box, I would say, not as good as the other ones I've seen. Let me just sort these out. And there we go, that's sorted out. Alright, so feelings on this box, I mean, that should have been one more VMAX. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the minimum hits you get per box. Rainbow rare should have gotten at least a full art trainer, which is that. Could have been a gold rare, so I don't know. This looks like it's about the minimum that you could pull from a booster box, so it is what it is. A little disappointing. At least I got a full art, so that made me happy, because if I didn't, then that would have been even more disappointing. So let us choose a couple of these. But you see the numbers? This is what they're saying. The pull rates suck for some of these card sets. This just goes to show that. Definitely. Yeah. So I'm gonna say good luck to you guys if you're still opening any more packs up. At this point in time, like I said, I'm debating if I wanted to trade in for Chilling Reign or if I wanted to save all my cards to trade in for Evolving Skies. Probably gonna do the latter so that way I can cut back and save some money on new sets and get what I'm looking for. All right, catch y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.